Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Etsy. This integration is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to manage your Etsy listings directly from your Wix dashboard, streamlining your workflow and keeping everything in one place. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Click on Apps and the drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can enhance your Wix site's functionality. Now, you'll be presented with a list of apps that you can use and integrate with your Wix website. At the top of the page, locate the search bar, type in Etsy and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you apps specifically related to Etsy integration. From the search results that appear, look for the app with Sell on Etsy as its description. This is the official integration app that will connect your Wix site with your Etsy store. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Etsy overview page, which provides detailed information about the app. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the app's functions and features. This will give you a clear understanding of what the integration can do for your business. Check the user reviews to see what other users are saying about their experience with the app. Also, review the pricing and plan options to ensure it fits your budget and needs. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click on the Add to Site button. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the terms and access requests from the app. It's important to read through these carefully so you understand what permissions you're granting. The app will need access to certain features of your Wix account to function properly. Once you've reviewed everything and you're comfortable moving forward, click on Agree and Add. The app will now start its installation process. All you have to do is wait until it finishes, which usually takes just a few moments. The app will be automatically added to your Wix account and you'll be able to start managing your Etsy listings directly from your Wix dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Wix with Etsy, giving you a powerful tool to manage your online store more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.